Hey, how you doing? I got a Nikon 70-300 millimeter AFS Nikkor lens with the VR2 technology, and the purpose of this video is just to show the zoom and how well the VR works. But right now I have it on a tripod and I'm at 70 millimeters, and that hillside over there with that tree line in the front is approximately 450 yards away. And I'm going to go ahead and start turning this up. I'm filming in full auto, and right now I'm at 70 millimeters. The camera I'm using is a D5100, but I'm going to turn it up. That's 100 millimeters, 135, 200, and then all the way out to 300. Now I'll pan around here. Said that all these trees are in excess of 450 yards. Now this hill here, where it just focused in, is 250, maybe 200. We got a trail over here that's about 75 yards there, and upwards of 300 up there. I'll zoom back out to 70. It's a pretty nice lens for the money. I do have everything in auto. The VR is on, but if there was some wildlife anywhere, as you can see, it'd be quite easy to pick them up with this lens. And you're talking, like I said, well over 400 yards there. If you had a full frame camera, there's actually be 450 millimeter lens, but pretty impressed with it. I'm going to go ahead and take some shots of this here elm that's right out in the middle of that field, and we're going to zoom in on it at 300 millimeters and see what that picture looks like. Alright, I'm running this camera off the tripod right now with my hand. That's with the VR on. There's with it off. On. Off. On. Now we'll go ahead and zoom in here. This is with the VR on. I'm going to shut it off. Can you imagine holding it by hand trying to take a picture like that with a low ISO? And there's with it on. Holding it in my hand. Now that's off, holding it in my hand. On. Off. That's again at 300 millimeters. I'm on autofocus and everything. I have the VR on, holding it in my hand. That's going to be hard, but I'm going to try to turn the VR off. That's off. On. Off. There's a tree roughly a half a mile away. I'm at 70 millimeters. I'm going to zoom in to 300. Now I'll try bringing it in a little bit there to see if we can see any decent detail yet. Digitally bring it in with the software. Now we're going to go ahead and snap a few pictures. One last test. Let's try autofocus. Got the VR on. I'm on a tripod. That tree right there is in front of me, probably 15 feet. There's about 30 feet. About 35. 20. There's another about 17 feet. That tree there is about 10 feet.